Hi, dear all. I am Dr. Namrata Kabra from Center for Sight, Mumbai. Infectious conjunctivitis or viral conjunctivitis, this disease being contagious in its nature, you need to take care of certain do's and don'ts. One of it is do not share your kerchiefs, do not share your towels, do not share your toiletries with family members because this disease can spread across. Apart from that, you need to start with a treatment with a consultation of ophthalmologist. There are cases reported every year where conjunctivitis is in its severest form, where corneal involvement happens. That is, there are lesions, there are ulcers, or there are spots on cornea which can eventually lead to decrease in vision, which can stay permanent if not treated appropriately. So it's very important that if this disease is not responding, you need to consult ophthalmologist. Apart from infectious conjunctivitis, where causes can be viral conjunctivitis, bacterial conjunctivitis, there is something important entity which is known as allergic conjunctivitis, and this is so very important, especially in pediatric population. Some of the allergies are seasonal, some of the allergies are perennial, it stays throughout, or some of the allergies, they are very severe. So one needs to classify and treat accordingly. The mild form of allergies, they respond usually to lubricants and anti-allergic or mast cell stabilizer drops. And the severe allergies, they require special treatment, especially the refractory one. For that, one needs systematic serial follow-ups and consultation. One can also start cold compresses. Cold compresses these days are readily available, can be kept in refrigerator. If not available, then one can use kerchief and roll few ice cubes and apply it as cold compresses. It relieves an individual of itchy feeling, itchy eyes, and it's very important not to rub eyes. Why? Because rubbing eyes can lead you to cascade of release of inflammatory and allergic cytokines. So it creates a flood. So you are into a vicious cycle. Do not rub eyes. Apart from that, rubbing eyes also increases risk of change in shape of cornea. Normally a cornea is of a certain shape. If a person rubs extensively over the period of time, it can change its shape and cornea can become thinner and triangular, which can at times lead to a disease known as keratoconus. So do not rub eyes, use cold compresses and consult ophthalmologist whenever required. Thank you.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.